shooting mo sa akin. Nahiyak tuloy kami.
Nabusog ka mo? Alright, that's good. So, sa akong my best friend, very, very best friend, to Sophie.
Wow, tango.
Ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng energy mo kanina.
Okay, so sa mga nakasayod, maybe we are friends, very best friends, since we were 9 or 10 years old, maybe.
Malay namin.
Okay. So, nag-ubra lang ako letter para, very emotional na ba ako, Brian? So, nag-ubra lang ako letter, agad, mas humble na ako kung ano ang dapat, o anong gusto kong bayon. Okay.
Pakisingot muna bago mas...
To my best friend, Payit. Grabe. Today is finally your wedding day. Medyo kanugang, mga ulang ko ang kita. Dungan kita mangarap, maghinibayag, magwinarang, maski ginanakigan kita na dayante. Gatangis, ag umagi sa tanan-tanan ng faces it atong kabuhi. Ag makaraiya karon, starting a beautiful new life, new chapter. With love of your life, Kim, seeing you this happy makes my heart so full. Thank you for being my person through all these years. Bukod na kita naging best friend, naging manghod man ako ikaw. Sayod mo ron. Bago kita magbana, kung bukod ako gaagto sa inyo para maggaong, ikaw rin gaagto sa amon para igaong ako. Ro amon man lang na taga-permi pa masahe, 20 pesos, dati ro pa masahe, pagtot kalibo, 10 pesos. Doon na tamong balon, 20 pesos, makawarang lang kami. You stayed through my happiest moment and even during the times na pareho tayong lost and struggling. We literally grow up together and I am so grateful nga hasta makara ikaw gihapon the same person. So genuine and loving person I met when we were kids. Today, habang naglalakad ka papunta sa altar, I hope you remember how loved, beautiful, and deserving you are of this kind of love. Marriage does not always be perfect, Kim, but I know you and Pai will choose each other every single day with love, patience, and understanding. And to your husband, Kim,